Today I will discuss class 7 chapter 1 NCERT math. Look this carefully. This is exercise 1.1 and this is question number 1. The question number 1 is following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day, and you have to observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. And number B is what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above. Question number C is what is the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar. Question number D, can you say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Look this carefully. First, observe the number line and temperature of different places, then you have to find the answer. This is 0 degree, and you know right side of 0 is positive and left side is negative. Okay, and this is 0. Look this carefully, and this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. 1 means 1 degree Celsius, 2 degree Celsius, 3 degree Celsius, 4 degree Celsius and 5 degree Celsius. And temperature of Shimla on that particular day is 5 degree Celsius. Okay, and this is number 6, and also look this carefully. This is 6, this is 7, this is 8, and this is 9 and 10. This is 11 and 12, 13, and this is 14. Therefore, temperature of Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius or centigrade. And this is 16, 17, 18, 19, this is 20, this is 21, 22. The temperature of Bengaluru is 22 degrees centigrade on that particular day. And left side of 0 is negative, this is -1, -2. Therefore, temperature of Srinagar is -2 degree Celsius, 5 degrees Celsius here, and this is -3, this is -4, this is -5, and this is -6, -7, -8, and temperature of Lahaul Spiti is -8 degree Celsius. Okay, you have observed this carefully. And here is question number A. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Therefore, you have to write the temperature of write as Shimla. Right from here, Lahaul Spiti is -8 degree Celsius. Then Srinagar is -2 degree Celsius. On the other hand, Shimla is 5 degree centigrade or Celsius, and Ooty, temperature of Ooty is 14 degree Celsius, and temperature of Bengaluru is 22 degree Celsius. Okay, then the answer of question number A. Next, question number B. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place? Here hottest place is Bengaluru, and this is hottest Bengaluru, and coldest is Lahaul Spiti. To find the difference between these two temperature, between the temperature of these two places. Now right here, Lahaul Spiti is the coldest and Bengaluru is the hottest, and temperature is -8 degree Celsius, and temperature is 22 degree Celsius. Therefore, their difference the difference of the record temperature is 22 degree minus of 8 degree Celsius, that is 22 plus 8 degree Celsius, that is 30 degree Celsius. Okay, this is the answer of question number B. And next question number C. What is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? Look this carefully. Temperature of Lahore Spiti is minus 8 degree centigrade and temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degree centigrade. Right here, temperature of TMP, temperature of Lahore Spiti, is minus 8 degree centigrade and temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degree centigrade. What is the temperature difference? Therefore, required difference is equal to minus 2 degree minus of minus 8 degree Celsius, that is equal to minus 2 plus 8 degree Celsius, that is equal to 6 degree Celsius. This is the answer of question number C. And next question number D. Can you say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together? Srinagar and Shimla taken together. First, do this. Temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. I am going to next page. Question number D. Temperature of Srinagar. Look this carefully. Temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degree centigrade and Shimla is 5 degree centigrade. Minus 2 degree centigrade and temperature of Shimla equal to 5 degree centigrade. And you have to find, can you say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together? Therefore, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is minus 2 degree plus 5 degree Celsius, that is equal to minus 2 plus 5 degree Celsius, that is equal to 3 degree Celsius. And next is less than the temperature of Shimla, and temperature of Shimla is is 5 degree centigrade. Here 3 is less than 5, so it is true that temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla. Yeah, it is also less than the temperature of Srinagar. Look this carefully. Temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degree centigrade and right here temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degree centigrade, and you know minus 2 is less than 3, so you can say the it is also less. Yes, it is the less than the temperature of Srinagar. Is it also less? No, here 3 is greater than minus 2, therefore the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is greater than temperature of Srinagar. Okay, this is the answer. Look this carefully and practice this. Thank you.